Did you know that a 500 billion investment could completely transform how you sell, scale, and dominate in the B2B space? Trump's AI bet is shaking up the game, and if you're not paying attention, you could be left behind. Let's explore how this is supercharging B2B sales and what it means for your business. I'm Tony Kuhner, and I've worked with countless B2B founders like you in the manufacturing and distribution industry. I'm also the owner of Connect Digital and the Scaling Founder YouTube channel. And my mission is to help businesses like yours stay ahead of the curve by leveraging cutting edge strategies. Today, we're unpacking Trump's massive AI investment and how it could revolutionize the sales game for businesses like yours. Let's start with the basic. What exactly is Trump's 500 billion AI bet? This massive investment is part of a bold strategy to position the United States as the global leader in artificial intelligence. It's not just about dumping money into AI. This initiative focuses on three critical areas: AI innovation, workforce development, and tech infrastructure. Let's look at AI innovation first. So this is a significant portion of the 500 billion that is dedicated to fostering innovation. This includes funding for research and development in AI tech that can revolutionize industries like manufacturing and distribution. Imagine AI systems that can predict supply chain bottlenecks or optimize production schedules with incredible precision. These innovations are designed to empower businesses like yours to operate smarter, faster, and more efficiently. Number two, the workforce development. So it's not just about technology, it's about people too. This investment also aims to prepare the workforce for all the AI revolution to come. Programs are being launched to train employees on how to integrate AI tools into their daily operations. For B2B founders in manufacturing and distribution, this means your team can be equipped with skills to work along AI, boosting productivity and staying competitive in a rapidly evolving market. And finally, the 500 billion also focuses on building the tech infrastructure needed to support widespread AI adoption. This includes advancements in data storage, cloud computing, and network capabilities. For example, with more robust infrastructure, your company can leverage AI tools to analyze massive data sets in real time, unlocking insights that were previously out of reach. Now, here's the provocative question. Is this $500 billion AI bet a gamble, or is it the smartest investment of the decade? Critics argue it's risky, but for B2B founders like you, this could be a once-in-a-lifetime opportunity to stay ahead of the curve. How will you position your business to take advantage of this innovative boom? And let's now look also at how AI is reshaping B2B sales. Now that we understand the scope of Trump's 500 billion AI investment, let's talk about how this is directly reshaping B2B sales, and most importantly, what this means for your business. The AI revolution is already underway, and it's transforming the way businesses operate in three major ways. The first one is automation, streamlining time-consuming tasks. Think about all the repetitive time-consuming tasks that eat up your team's day. Data entry, lead qualification, sending follow-ups. AI is stepping in to take those tasks off your plate. For example, AI-powered CRM tools like the Scaling Founder CRM can automatically sort and prioritize leads, ensuring your sales team focuses on high-value prospects only. This isn't just about saving time. It's about reallocating your resources to focus on what truly drives revenue, building relationships and closing deals. Imagine this. Instead of spending hours sifting through customer data, your team could use that time to engage with clients, strategize, and craft winning proposals. The result, is a leaner, more efficient sales process that leads to faster conversions and a stronger bottom line. The second one here is predictive analytics, anticipating customer needs and trends. AI doesn't just react to data, it predicts the future. Tools powered by AI can analyze customer behavior, market trends, and historical data to forecast what's coming next. For B2B founders in manufacturing and distribution, this means you can anticipate demand spikes, identify potential bottlenecks, and even predict which clients are more likely to make a purchase. Here's a practical example. Imagine having an AI system that alerts you when one of your key accounts is about to reorder a product before they even reach out. Or what if your AI could identify declining engagement from a client and prompt your sales team to intervene before you lose that account? This level of foresight can completely change the way you approach customer retention and business growth. And then the third one is personalization, tailored solutions for every client. In this internet age, the overload, we are becoming so callous towards it. So personalizing data makes a big difference in how people respond and receive it. So we live in this world where generic sales pitches don't cut it anymore. Buyers in a B2B space want solutions tailored specifically for their needs, and AI makes that level of personalization possible on a massive scale. AI tools can analyze an individual client's preferences, pain points, and past purchases to create hyper-targeted marketing and sales strategies. For example, instead of sending out the same email blast to your entire client base, AI can craft unique messages for each recipient, highlighting the exact value your product or service brings to that specific business challenge. This kind of personalization not only improves engagement, but also builds trust and long-term loyalty with your clients. The bottom line really is adapt or be left behind. That's right. Here is the reality. AI is no longer a futuristic concept. It's here and it's changing the B2B sales game. Automation, predictive analytics, and personalization are just the tip of the iceberg. The businesses that embrace these tools now will be the ones that thrive in years to come. And while those that risk being left behind. So let me ask you this. Are you ready to embrace these advancements, or will you wait until your competitors have already taken the lead? The AI revolution is happening. What's your next move? So great. Now that we've covered what Trump's 500 billion AI investment entails and how it's reshaping B2B sales, let's talk about why this matters to you. Yes, you as a founder in the manufacturing and distribution industry. The AI revolution isn't just a trend. It's a seismic shift that's creating unparalleled opportunities for growth and efficiency. But here's the catch. Only those who adapt quickly will reap these benefits. The competitive advantage of AI is that AI is leveling the playing field, allowing mid-sized businesses to compete with industry giants. By adopting AI tools early, you can gain an edge over competitors who are still relying on outdated systems. And we know how fast things moved in the corporate world. But here's the provocative truth. AI is an accelerator and it doesn't wait for anyone. The businesses that quickly integrate AI will dominate their markets, while those that hesitate risk falling behind. Imagine this. Your competitors are using AI to predict customer needs, automate processes, and deliver personalized experiences. If you're not doing the same or better, you could be losing customers before you even realize they're gone. And let's get real for a moment. One of the biggest concerns about AI is that it will replace jobs or disrupt traditional roles. But here's the thing. AI isn't here to replace you, it's here to amplify your results. Think of it as a powerful tool in your arsenal, one that can handle the heavy lifting so that you and your team can focus on strategy, creativity, and building relationships. For instance, instead of worrying about manually tracking inventory or managing cold leads, AI can automate those processes, freeing up your time to focus on closing deals and scaling operations. By embracing AI, you're not just future-proofing your business, you are empowering your workforce to operate at their best. There is a cost to inaction, and this is where we get real. The cost of doing nothing is greater than the cost of embracing AI. If you're standing still while your competitors are leveraging AI to streamline operations, predict trends, and close deals faster, you are essentially giving them the upper hand. Let's look at this hypothetical scenario. A competitor in your space invests in AI-powered sales tools that allow them to cut their sales cycle in half. They're able to deliver a seamless, personalized experience to customers while your team is still stuck in a manual process. Who do you think is going to win that battle? The answer is obvious. The question is, how long can you afford to wait before taking action? Trump's 500 billion AI bet is more than just a headline. It's a wake-up call. The future of B2B sales is here and it's being driven by AI. The opportunity is massive, but so is the risk of falling behind. The good news is it's not too late to adapt. With the right tools and strategy, you can position your business as a leader in the new era of innovation. So let me leave you with this. Are you ready to embrace AI and secure your place at the forefront of industry? Or will you let opportunity slip through your fingers while others take the lead? Let's talk. Click the link below and book a free strategy call with me. And let's take your business to the next level. And if you'd like to educate yourself more on AI in B2B sales, check out my course on Udemy. The link is in the description. The choice is yours. So like this video and subscribe for more B2B AI sales hacks. Keep on scaling.